the official cryptocurrency support token for the CryptoSLO YouTube channel CryptoSLO.
CryptoSLO with more crypto gains. Today we're talking about IOST, iWallet install into the Google Chrome. Full tutorial. IOST is another smart contract token similar to Tron, but claims to have a scalable infrastructure up to 100,000 transactions per second. As you can see on DApp review, there's only 4 dApps out there right now, so it is still very early. So let's get started. The very first thing you need to do with IOST is create an account. In order to use iWallet, you must have an account. So the difference between the TronLink wallet and the iWallet with IOST is TronLink allows you to create an account in line in the wallet. IOST at this moment does not. So what you need to do is go to iostabc.com. Alright, the next step is to generate your account at iostabc.com. So the first thing we do is hit auto generate. That's our public key, and then we have to give the account a unique name. IOST actually uses alphanumeric as your account address, so if you're withdrawing from Binance and depositing into your iWallet, you would use the name of your account. So sometimes it doesn't go through the first time if the name is already taken. You do all lowercase and numbers. So we're going to do CryptoSLO 99. Okay, click on I am not a robot. On the fire hydrants, a little CAPTCHA action. Okay. Alright. Looks good. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and create account. Give it a minute. It's going to go out and verify that that account name has not been used, and we're waiting for a private key, which means that your account has been created on the blockchain. Alright, at this point you have your private key and your account name. So very, very important. You need to write down this information so that you can access it at a later time, and that's how you're going to import your account into iWallet. So go ahead and copy it and paste it and save as IOST account. So you do want to encrypt this and put this in a safe place where nobody can get to it. So go ahead and hit save. Now, if for some reason your account creation fails, change your account name and try again, because it does not do a pre-check on the blockchain to make sure that that account is available. So now, assuming that you've generated a private key and an IOST account, you're going to go to the Chrome extension web store, and we're going to search for iWallet. And there iWallet is. Add to Chrome, add extension, and it will pop up in the right hand corner. So now we need to import our account into our IOST iWallet. So go ahead and create a password. And I'm just going to make it simple because this is a test account. And write that down. You don't want to lose your password. And accept and import account. Oops. Has to be 8 digits. So we're going to say got to go simple. 1, 2, 3. Just making it something stupid. Alright, I'll actually put a link to a secure password creation. So go ahead and hit import account, and this is where I'm going to need my private key. Okay, so copy that, paste it in, and hit submit. And now you can see, give it a minute, CryptoSLO 99, which matches, and we give it a minute to reconcile on the blockchain. that's it. So you start with a set amount of gas and RAM. Now I'll get into another video where I talk about gas. You have to have gas to play games or you'll run out of gas and then you can no longer play the game. It's kind of like energy on Tron, but it's a little different because when it drains, it won't take away IOST in place of gas. So that's the next tutorial where I will show you how to add gas to your account by staking IOST, and I'm hoping also to do another tutorial on depositing into your iWallet. So once that's all set up, what you came here for, now that you have your IOST wallet, you can go to DApp review and see what dApps you can play. So right now there is the endless game, and see how it automatically logged me in just like TronLink. And then assuming I had some funds in my account, I could start playing the game. That's all there is to it. Hope you liked today's video. Like and subscribe. This is CryptoSLO. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.